Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I would be trying this color again. Yes, I refuse to give up. Last time, if you see my previous video, I tried to use it on a brown toned hair. So the hair was brown. That was the reason why it did not work. So I'll be trying it again on a blonde hair. I used a purple shampoo after bleaching the hair to tone down the brassiness, but you can use an actual toner for better results. Please bear in mind that I am not a professional. I'm just trying things out to get better results every day. So just follow this procedure of the mixture right now. I already did a video on how to mix this already, so there is no need to talk about this. So the whole point of this video is just to show you that there are certain colors that will work on brown hair and there are certain colors that would not work on brown hair. You have to bleach more to get a lighter shade before applying the actual dye. And it's not every color that would also work on this yellow tone, but for this purple color it actually worked on this yellow tone. So thank God I actually did not waste money in trying to tone the yellow blonde to like a platinum blonde, or but if you actually tone to a platinum blonde, you actually get a different shade of purple, and I feel like it will be better and nicer too, or probably a bit brighter in a way. So yeah, that's the whole point of this video. So when you're applying another color to yellow, it might not turn out like the color to, but for this purple, I've seen that the purple worked for this. As you can see, the color here is, it's purple but very bright. It wasn't even very bright, it looked very bright in the video, but it wasn't that bright. So this is actually, I put on the flash, but this is actually how it looks like. Then we went to another space to see how it will look when it's dry too. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That's the most important thing, and I will see you in my next post. Thanks for watching.